Hi there students. In this video I wanted to look at the word catch as a noun. So for example, a catch, yeah? When you catch a ball in cricket, a catch. Okay, so a catch. You could also use this word a catch in fishing. So I went fishing yesterday and I had a really good catch. Now notice you can use this noun, a catch, to express that you have obtained, you've got a really desirable partner, girlfriend, or an employee. So she's a really good catch. It's like you've caught a fish. That new employee is a really good catch for the company. So a catch is talking about a person who is considered desirable, who is well considered as a partner, a spouse, or an employee. Okay? Yeah. He was a really good catch and she was very satisfied. Notice as well, you can have this noun, a catch, is like a device to secure a window or a door or a box. But notice it's not a lock, it's a catch, some sort of hook or some sort of device to keep it closed. So there's a catch on the window to stop it blowing open. There's a catch on the box to stop the things falling out. And we very often use this noun, a catch, to mean a hidden problem or a disadvantage in what seems to be a good situation. You can borrow my car, but there's a catch. You have to take me to the airport and pick me up from the airport. Okay, we use this verb to catch, meaning to catch on, to snag, to hitch. So I caught my shirt on the handle of the door, or I caught my shirt on the door catch and it ripped. Okay, I caught my finger on a thorn. So this is a metaphorical idea of this. Okay, a catch, a hidden problem in something that may be too good to be true. This contract looks perfect, but what's the catch? What's the problem? This is a very good solution, but there is one catch. It's very expensive. That food is really, really tasty, but there are several catches. It's not healthy and it makes you fat. Okay, so a catch is like a hidden negative characteristic, a hidden problem, a hidden drawback. In something that seems really good, really fantastic and wonderful. Okay? So we use this word a catch, saying a problem, a difficulty that may appear when you least expect it. Okay? You can do whatever you want, but there's a catch. You must be responsible. You must act responsibly. Okay, so a catch. Whoops. Okay, to catch a ball. In fishing, there was a really good catch of fish. To start a relationship or to recruit for a company, a person who's considered a really good partner, spouse, or employee. A device to secure, to fix, shut a window, a box, a door, but not a lock. and then a hidden problem or disadvantage which is not patently obvious from the beginning. Notice this word to catch, comes from Latin captare, to try to catch. So let's look at formality. So if you catch a ball, this is neutral formality, you could use it anywhere. I had a good catch fishing, neutral formality, both informal and formal. A catch to secure a door, neutral formality again, both informal and formal. However, this meaning of a catch, a hidden problem, I think this one is more informal. I would use the word, there's a catch to this, in an informal situation, in a conversation in the pub. I don't think you should use a catch in this sense in a very formal situation. Use the problem, a drawback, a disadvantage, a hidden problem, something like that. Okay? So there you go. Catch as a noun. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A catch.